First things first, let's talk about food waste. It's a huge issue that affects not just our wallets, but also the environment. When we throw away food, we're wasting all the resources that went into it. This includes water, labor, and transportation. Reducing food waste is totally doable. It just takes a bit of planning and mindfulness. One of my favorite strategies? Meal planning. By planning your meals ahead, you can make sure you use up what you have. It saves time, money, and reduces waste. Plus, it makes cooking more enjoyable and less stressful. Check your fridge and pantry before shopping, plan your meals, and avoid impulse buys. It's a win-win-win. You'll be amazed at how much you can save. Let's dive deeper into meal planning. Choose recipes that use similar ingredients to minimize waste. Check your pantry and fridge before heading to the store and write your grocery list accordingly. Get creative with leftovers. Last night's roast chicken can become today's chicken salad sandwiches. Now, let's talk about composting. Instead of sending food scraps to a landfill, give them a second life through composting. You're turning onion peels, eggshells, and coffee grounds into nutrient-rich black gold for your garden. Start small with a countertop compost bin or go bigger with a backyard compost pile. Let's move on to sustainable food storage. It's time to rethink how we store our food and make choices that are better for the environment. Say goodbye to single-use plastics. These items are harmful to our planet and often end up in landfills or oceans. Glass jars are perfect for storing leftovers and dry goods. They are durable, reusable, and can be used for a variety of purposes. Another great option is beeswax wraps, made from natural ingredients and completely biodegradable. They are a fantastic alternative to plastic wrap. Use them to wrap up cheese, bread, fruits, and vegetables. They keep your food fresh and are easy to clean and reuse. And when they've reached the end of their life, you can compost them. This way, they return to the earth without leaving a trace. Let's talk about making our cooking habits more sustainable. By being mindful of how we use our kitchen appliances, we can save both energy and money. It's easier than you might think. Be mindful of how you're using your appliances. For instance, preheating the oven only when necessary and turning off the stove a few minutes before your food is done can save a lot of energy. Make sure your pots and pans fit the burner size and cover them to save energy. Using lids helps trap heat, cooking your food faster and more efficiently. Invest in energy-efficient appliances with the Energy Star label. These appliances are designed to use less energy while still providing excellent performance, which can significantly reduce your utility bills. Consider a pressure cooker or slow cooker. They use less energy and can make flavorful meals. These appliances are great for preparing meals that require long cooking times, but with much less energy consumption. Simple changes can make a big difference. By adopting these small habits, you can create a more energy-efficient kitchen and enjoy the benefits of lower energy bills and a more sustainable lifestyle. Well, there you have it, friends. 5 simple tips to make your kitchen more sustainable. Remember, every little bit counts. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 tips into your routine. It's all about progress, not perfection. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and share your sustainable kitchen tips in the comments below.